Hi everyone, Bex Smith here, the DIY Marketing Trailblazer. And today is number 11 of our video series. I've got a really quick tip for you today for anyone who either has a business website or is looking to develop one. The tip is in relation to how you should name the pages. So the URL names for the pages on your website and how you can ensure that they have the optimal SEO. So there's a few things. You should definitely avoid using symbols or irrelevant numbers when it comes to the page URL. Avoid using capital letters and make sure that you use hyphens to separate each of the words in the phrase for the page name. Don't use underscores because that really confuses the search engines. They can't understand that. So there's a really quick tip for the day. I hope that is of use to you in improving the SEO of your website. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. See you then. Bye.